We always care a lot about keeping our skin healthy, but is there any beauty device that provides us with convenient and effective skincare? Enjoy clinic-level HIFU and radio frequency lifting at your home all at once. My special skincare secret? Double Care Lifting Program. Duolif. Before using the Duolif, connect the power line to the back of the cradle and the outlet. The Duolif will be wirelessly charged inside the cradle. Before enjoying the Duolif HIFU treatment, make sure to apply the Double Care Lifting Gel to your skin. After washing your skin thoroughly, apply a moderate amount on the area where you want to receive treatment. Make sure to keep your skin dry when applying it. When replacing the HIFU cartridge, you can check the amount of remaining shots through the LED light located on the rear side. Use the HIFU while pressing the Shot button. The HIFU treatment will irradiate ultrasonic energy deep into your skin without damaging the epidermis to form a thermal coagulation point. Please replace it with a radio frequency cartridge after the HIFU treatment is finished. The radio frequency treatment will take place after pressing the Shot button once. Apply the gel once more to the area where you want to receive treatment. The radio frequency treatment will stimulate your epidermis and dermis layer to promote blood circulation. It will also facilitate the wound regeneration of the area where HIFU has been irradiated, allowing your skin to recover its elasticity more quickly. After the treatment is over, wipe off the gel remaining on your face and the device. Once you put the device back in the cradle, the Duolif will be recharged. Duolif's Double Care Lifting can be applied to various parts, starting from your face to your neck. Enjoy special skincare treatment with ease and confidence. Your special self-care lifting time. Enjoy with Duolif. Duolif.